If common sense was common, all vehicles would come with a full-size spare. Some vehicles come with no full-size spare, no self-sealing kit, and no pump. You paid a full-size price, you got a full-size vehicle, you deserve a full-size spare. When you do break down, your only hope is good luck, call somebody. That's why with my customers, I cover real life details that matter, not just the shiny stuff. This is Hadi Tamraz, your friend in the car business since 1999. Come on down, experience the Hadi experience. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.
More care, more trust, more reasons to come back. More smiles, more memories, more than just a contract. From your first ride to your next one too. The Hadi experience keeps showing up for you.